y'all, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Po Nicole coming at you with another video. If you're new here, what's up? Make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna be bringing y'all some fire for real. And if you're returning, hey y'all. So in today's video we are going to be doing a quick little meal that I absolutely love. This is my first time cooking it, but I have eaten it several times because Mama Martha makes it for us and brings it to work. And it actually is a keto recipe. Also, it is called Easy Taco Pie. So all you need for this is 1 pound of ground beef, 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning, 6 large eggs, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. So that's all you need to make it. I'm telling y'all, it's so bomb. And like I said, it is a keto recipe, so if you are looking to do the keto diet or if you are on a keto diet, this is a good recipe. And it's like a casserole kinda. You definitely will have some left over. I have all of my ingredients right here. Don't follow directions like to the T because you know you just need a recipe to follow and then you can kind of just tweak it yourself. So yeah, I have all of my stuff. First things first was to preheat your oven. So I'm gonna make mine in a rectangle ceramic dish. This is it right here. It doesn't say that you need to grease with anything special. I'm just using this Pam coconut oil. So yeah, just spray, grease it good. Oil. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put half of the pack of taco seasoning in my meat while it's cooking so it can actually cook into the meat, and then the other half I'm just going to sprinkle on top of the meat or mix into the meat after it's actually browned. This recipe only calls for 3 tablespoons and this is actually 1 ounce, so not sure exactly, you know, not sure exactly how many tablespoons this is, but this is just what I'm using. In my mind, this meal tastes better with the seasoning actually cooked into it, but we'll save some of it to put on the cooked meat as well. So just letting it get brown, stirring in the seasoning, breaking down the chunks. I've been craving this for like weeks, and when it came around to making it, I actually didn't have all of the ingredients, and then so I had the ground meat, and then I didn't have like the heavy whipping cream, so I would just use my ground beef to cook something else. And then one time I was trying to make it and I didn't get around to making it, and I actually let my ground beef go bad. So I'm pretty excited to be making this, and I finally got all the ingredients and it is really quick. Go ahead and drain it, and then I'm gonna bring it back over here, and then I'm gonna put the rest of the seasoning on it. So the meat is drained for the most part. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sample it and see how much seasoning is on here. I may not actually need to put this extra, the other half of the pack on here. Okay, yeah, I need to put it on there. So rest of this Just pour it in here. Stir, 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 stir. And y'all, this actually, that's not even how you use this, I don't think. I think you're supposed to add water, all of that. But I don't follow the directions. So yeah. Okay, let me try it again. Okay, that's good. Just pour the meat in here. Just pour it. Make a, just have a layer of ground beef like this. Just like that. Is we're going to be mixing in the eggs, the heavy whipping cream, the garlic. Gonna mix that all together. So in a bowl, we're gonna mix 6 eggs, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 cloves of garlic minced. And I have jumbo eggs, so this calls for large, but we just gonna roll with it. Of heavy cream. Do garlic. It says 2 cloves. I don't know what 2 cloves will be because this is how I buy my garlic, like this. So I'm just going to do 3 teaspoons of this, or maybe 2. Okay. Now I use Himalayan pink salt. You do not have to use this. This is just what I use. And pepper, just black pepper. I'll put the exact measurements of everything that it says for you to use in the description, but whisk. Oh, trying to do this with one hand. Do is bring this back over here and then just pour this mixture over it. Sprinkle with cheese. Leave it for 30 minutes or until the center is set and the cheese is brown. It called for sharp cheddar cheese, well, cheddar cheese, and I decided to do cheddar and Mexican cheese since it is taco pie. So in the oven, and we're going to put the timer on 30 minutes. Start. So now we just wait. I will be back in 30 minutes so you guys can see what the outcome is. We about to have some taco pie. Okay, y'all, so this is the taco pie. It just came out of the oven. Do not pay attention to that part there. I could not help myself, y'all. I had to sample it. This taco pie actually did take longer than the 30 minutes. I would say it took around 45 minutes. I'm thinking that it's because I had jumbo eggs. and they were like huge. So I think it called for large eggs, and I used jumbo eggs. I think I had more egg that I needed to cook through because the edges were actually pretty cooked, but the middle was still runny. So I don't like my eggs runny, so I just left it in there for an additional 15 minutes. But this is it. I'm gonna cut me another little piece to show you guys. It probably, I think it'll do better by cooling first so it can actually kind of set. So I'm just gonna get this piece right here. And a lot of people are probably thinking like, oh my gosh, it's so much egg, because I'm not a huge egg person either, I promise y'all, but it is so good. And it doesn't taste like our breakfasty, like literally when Martha would bring this to work, I would eat this for breakfast. Cause she would bring like, she'll make a whole pan of it for the week for us to eat off of. I would eat it for breakfast and I would eat it for lunch. It's that good. So this is what it looks like. Lighting is horrible. Why does it look, okay. So this is what it looks like, y'all. Bam, got the peppers to go with it. Oh, I don't even have enough peppers. All right, there's your now. Yeah. And easy. And it's like a few ingredients. And it's cheap too. Like it's a really inexpensive meal. Damn, that pepper hot. Make sure you are subscribed and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I post any new videos. Until next time, y'all. Bye.